Welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring the best scanners for universities in 2026 that you can buy right now. If you're a student, teacher, or part of a university office, these scanners will help you quickly digitize documents, assignments, notes, and research papers with speed and accuracy. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Ambir ImageScan Pro 839 AS High-Speed ADF Scanner. The Ambir ImageScan Pro 839 AS High-Speed ADF Scanner is a professional-grade document scanner designed for fast, efficient, and reliable paper digitization on both PC and Mac systems. With a scanning speed of up to 30 pages per minute, it is well suited for busy office environments that require quick processing of large volumes of documents. The Automatic Document Feeder, ADF, allows users to scan multiple pages in a single batch, improving productivity and reducing manual effort. It delivers high-quality image capture with accurate detail, making it ideal for documents, receipts, forms, and ID cards. Compact and easy to integrate into any workspace, the Ambir ImageScan Pro 839 AS is a dependable solution for businesses, healthcare offices, and administrative workflows that require fast and consistent scanning performance. Number 2. ScanSnap 92500. The ScanSnap 92500 wireless or USB high-speed cloud-enabled document, photo and receipt scanner is a versatile and efficient scanning solution designed for both home and office use. It features a large 5-inch touchscreen that simplifies operation and allows users to quickly select scanning tasks and settings with ease. Equipped with a 100-page automatic document feeder, ADF, it can handle large batches of documents, receipts, and photos, making it highly productive for high-volume workflows. The scanner supports both wireless and USB connectivity, ensuring flexible integration with Mac or PC systems, while its cloud-enabled functionality allows seamless saving and sharing of scanned files. Designed for speed, convenience, and reliability, the ScanSnap 92500 is an excellent choice for users who need fast, high-quality digitization with minimal effort. Number 3. Epson FastFoto FF680W. The Epson FastFoto FF680W wireless high-speed duplex photo and document scanner is a powerful and efficient scanning solution designed for quickly digitizing photos and documents with exceptional speed and quality. It features duplex scanning, allowing both sides of a document or photo to be captured in a single pass, significantly improving productivity. With its high-speed performance, it can process large batches of photos in seconds, making it ideal for archiving old photo collections or handling office paperwork. The scanner supports wireless connectivity as well as USB connections, providing flexible integration with computers and mobile devices for easy file transfer and management. Its mobile scanning capabilities further enhance convenience, allowing users to scan and share directly from smartphones or tablets. Combining speed, accuracy, and versatility, the Epson FastFoto FF680W is an excellent choice for users who need fast, high-quality photo and document digitization. Number 4. ScanSnap 92500. The ScanSnap 92500 Photo Edition wireless or USB high-speed cloud-enabled photo, document and receipt scanner is a versatile and high-performance scanning solution designed for efficiently digitizing photos, documents, and receipts. It features a large 5-inch touchscreen that provides an intuitive and easy-to-use interface for selecting scanning options and managing tasks. With support for both wireless and USB connectivity, it offers flexible integration with Mac and PC systems, while its cloud-enabled functionality allows users to quickly store, organize, and share files online. The scanner is built for high-speed performance and is ideal for handling both small and large scanning jobs with consistent quality and reliability. Its photo-focused capabilities make it especially useful for preserving and organizing printed memories in digital format. Combining speed, convenience, and smart connectivity, the ScanSnap 92500 Photo Edition is an excellent choice for users who want a streamlined and efficient scanning experience. Number 5. Brother ADS-4300N. The Brother ADS-4300N Professional Desktop Scanner is a high-performance document scanning solution designed for fast, reliable, and efficient office workflows. It features rapid scanning speeds and duplex functionality, allowing both sides of a document to be scanned simultaneously, which helps save time and improve productivity. With built-in networking capability, the scanner can be easily shared across multiple users in an office environment, making it ideal for team-based work settings. Its compact desktop design ensures it fits comfortably into small or medium workspaces while still handling high-volume scanning tasks with ease. The ADS-4300N delivers sharp, accurate image quality for documents, forms, and receipts, ensuring clear digital records for storage and organization. Combining speed, durability, and network connectivity, the Brother ADS-4300N is a dependable choice for professional and business use. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and education tools like this. Thanks for watching.